Hello my YouTube friends! Today I'm going to show you how to decorate a peaceful winter cookie card. Prepare a tipless bag with some soft consistency icing. Using the back of the cookie, pipe some squiggly lines. Then grab a fan brush and brush out the icing. You want it to be fairly thin. Continue brushing out the icing on the cookie until the cookie is completely covered. While the icing is still wet, using a boo-boo stick on the flat side, starting on the top side of the left side of the cookies, drag it straight down. Wipe off the boo-boo stick and then go to the very next section next door, leaving a little bit of space in between. Continue doing this until you're on the right side of the cookie. Allow the cookie to dry for 30 minutes. Begin piping some snow onto the cookie using the soft consistency icing, and then apply rainbow dust sterling pearl flakes to the icing with a brush as you brush the icing up towards the cookie. Shake off the cookie periodically, and then continue adding the snow until you're satisfied that your cookie looks very wintry. I've already gone ahead and hand-drawn my tree with a graphite pen onto the cookie just so I would know my placement. The roots and the branches are filigree. To pipe the filigree, start with a big burst of pressure for a bead and then come around into a C shape. Each filigree, whether it's the roots or the branches, must meet at the trunk of the tree. Once the roots are completely in place, begin piping the trunk of the tree. As you reach each branch, pipe the filigree with your burst of icing and then making a C shape. And then go back to piping the trunk of the tree. Use a scribe tool to help you shape the filigree branches of the tree. Creating this tree is a lot of repetition. Therefore, I'm not going to continually say the same thing and bore you, but I did want to show you piping the entire tree in real time. Once we've piped the entire tree, we need to add a little bit of snow. Still using the same consistency, pipe a zigzag on the place where you want the snow to be. After piping the icing, use a round brush to apply the snowflakes. Recipes, supplies, and tools are listed in the description box below. To finish off our peaceful card, we're going to pipe some snowflakes. To create the snowflake, start with a bead, pull the bead down into a line, and then end it with another bead. Come across vertically doing the same thing. Go in between the vertical and horizontal lines and pipe kitty corner, and now you have a snowflake. Thank you for watching.